Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix taskbar icons not showing, missing, invisible and blank in Windows 11. First method is uncheck automatically hide the taskbar. Second method is restart Windows Explorer. Third method is change registry settings. Create new DWORD 32-bit value named as undocking disabled, change value data to 1. Fourth method is system restore. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.